Hello, my name is Andrew. I'm one of the people that are part of this channel. We used to have an actual intro for this vlog, which unfortunately got deleted by our marketing manager, Michaela. Jordan, if you want to put a picture right here, just showing Michaela, it's right here. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed the story, because this is one night that is definitely going to be unforgettable for all of us. The many misfortunes, the almost accidents, they all come together and make one of the most fantastic nights of my life. Make sure to like and subscribe to this channel. I hope you enjoy this as much as we did.
It's gonna start raining. Look, it's Nathan.
Me. Hello.
You probably can't see him because it's fucking dark as fuck.
It's dark as fuck.
Look at all this fucking G Fuel we got there.
Look at all this fucking gamer fuel, bro.
What's taking them so damn long?
Wait, can you see me now?
Yeah.
Hey guys.
Oh fuck. Hold up. Look, it's Michaela.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Ah.
Want some coffee?
I do not.
You sure?
I'm good.
I made it myself.
I'm good.
Okay. It's high.
Well,
I
if you go
couldn't-
to bed for once.
Shut the fuck up. Also, I sadly didn't make any sandwiches because I didn't have bread.
That's like the main fucking thing.
But I do have the meat and the sauce. If we go to a convenience store, we can get
Oh
bread.
my fucking god. Is this the Otaku Moron Gamer?
Yeah. Yeah.
It is Deadpool. There's like no fucking light.
No, I'm the OMG, you know.
Here, I got you.
Your boy.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Hello. It is the squad.
Oh my god, the fucking piss water.
No, that's called gamer fuel, bruv.
It's piss.
You look like you're about to tell a fucking story.
Once upon a time, I fucked your bitch. Dun dun.
Oh, Hunter, I have something to give you.
Give me what?
I have something to give you. And you, Nathan.
I gotta get keys so I can get my
Well, hurry up, go
bank.
get your keys. It's not that bad. It's not. Go.
Alright.
What present did you? Oh my fucking god!
You got card.
I got a card?
You got card.
Card.
So yeah, I'm gonna butcher his name. So I'll put his name in the video below. But he makes these amazing fucking cards. They're really fucking nice. And I'm gonna give some of them to
Look how sick that
squad.
looks, bro.
it fucking looks great. Here's Andrew's.
I didn't know you were gonna be vlogging in the morning.
Yeah.
I would have made myself look all pretty and everything.
I mean, there's no fixing that fucking face, bro.
This face, fuck no. Yeah, he really said Zoom. So he set up like an alarm clock next to the couch, and like he was waiting for it or something. Like he was already awake or some shit, and he said, "Wee."
No, it wasn't that I was awake. No, as soon as I heard it, I know where it is and I knew where it was. So I was just like, zoom,
Boink.
zoom, bitch.
Dude, he really said Zoom too. Like he was ready for it.
I slid across the floor.
Yeah.
If only there was a camera on me, I think.
Well, the other group's supposed to be fucking vlogging too, so I wonder what the fuck they're doing.
Vlogging
man.
their morning adventures right now,
Yeah.
probably.
Sitting here, still waiting on Blaine, trying to get everything worked out. Rachel wanted to show off her costume, her Nezuko costume.
What kind of quirk do you have?
Blood art explosion.
I'd like to see you come against me.
Give her government!
Oh shit! Oh
We got
shit! Oh
vlogception!
shit!
Oh shit!
Oh
We
shit!
got vlogception!
Oh shit!
Oh shit! Oh shit!
He's taking like 20 fucking years.
Alright, my camera's turning on. Lens open. There is no light.
We got vlogception
Oh,
here,
shit.
guys. Oh shit.
Oh shit! Oh, fuck it up!
Oh shit! Oh, fuck it up, Kevin. Fuck it up.
None of this is probably going into my vlog for my channel. This is shit content. But if you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel. I need it.
Okay.
Well, I don't get no hug goodbyes. That's fucked up.
Aww.
Oh,
Fucking receipt.
my man.
He stole your man.
I know.
Straight
Come on,
steal these
boy.
hoes.
Come on, boy.
Come here.
Wow.
Wow. Joy got huffinated.
Alright, we're gonna go fuck around at the Make Cafe without you. Fuck you.
Send me the link to the vlog when you're done.
Of course. Talk to you later, buddy. Talk to you later.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye, Nathan.
Thank God this fucking stick's gone.
Hey! Hey! Took you long enough, jackass!
I can't hear you. My music's too loud.
Please up. Everybody's heading over there. We've got to go. Bam!
Give me another stop. Ah!
Like, you like we have matching cars now.
I know. I love it.
Ours has just got 4 doors.
Mine's green.
It's got a cool spoiler. Look at that thing. That's like an actual spoiler. I'm so
You ready, Blade? You ready?
Alright, let's get
Oh, hey, it's Deadpool.
Videoception, bitches.
Would you like to talk about Jesus? Probably that probably should have been said.
I don't have my phone.
Good. We do not think anything through.
Hunter over here vlogging his own shit.
Now we're just waiting on these.
Where are the others, by the way? Should probably message them.
It's fucking Andrew and them.
Me sure.
They're good. They're in Canada already.
God damn it.
They just fucking bolted at the cannon. What?
Aren't we gonna wait for Lisa?
Huh?
Aren't we gonna wait for Lisa?
Oh no, Deadpool's on it. It's fine. Deadpool's on it.
Deadpool's on it.
So I'm gonna take this time to rep the merch. Did you know that we have tons of designs like this all over our merch shop? Yeah, we actually have a domain now.
Hey.
Hey, so that's
Who are some of the characters on that particular piece that you got there,
So the
man?
middle one is this midget. His name's Andrew.
Uh-huh.
That one is Cicerus from the Mythic stuff, and that one is actually the person who's right there, Michaela. She was in the ghost stuff.
I was the killer.
So, yeah, if you want to support us, be sure to buy some merch.
And
Because,
drop a like and a follow.
Because, you know, we have to pay for things.
Or in my phone. Purse. Woo! Hell yes! Look at her go! Damn, baby! Hi! Oh my goodness, the shoes! Hi! Hi! This is my baby girl. Hi. Turn over here.
I'm just vibing.
Yeah. Hi. Here's the other fuckwads. The other fuckwads.
Bromance at its finest.
I don't have my costume on.
Not right now.
I was gonna wait.
I had
Hey,
to drive for 4
Blaine!
hours. I wasn't gonna wear it. I was like,
Deku in the house! What's up, man? Trying not to slip and fall.
wow.
Oh!
Definitely needs to hit the gym. I'm sorry.
Oh my goodness, it's Deadpool.
This fucker didn't believe in me. They were making bets on whether or not I would film.
Oh yeah, Deku also has a new quirk. Smoke.
Wait, Deku has a new quirk?
Yeah.
He's gonna be gone.
And he disappeared.
See you in Michigan.
Good luck in Canada.
Thanks. You're on your own, Noble.
Also, it's Chicago.
Hey, you got the guns, right? Yo.
You have one shot at this on it.
I said, picture me this. Freddy Krueger, but Freddy Cougar.
Yo, I'm just gonna take this fog out.
Go, 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 go! Fuck, get it!
Go beyond.